Hello everyone, welcome to part 4 of our GPS speedometer project. In this part, we will solder the required parts for the PCB to start working. The easiest way to get these parts is to desolder them from other PCBs. In our case, we will desolder the parts from Neo-6m and Arduino Pro Mini, both from AliExpress and Amazon. An important note though, try to program your Neo-6m and Arduino before desoldering any part, just to make sure they are working fine before you proceed further. You will find this reference image in the attached GitHub project. The reference image will show what parts need to be extracted and placed on the reflected name of the component of our project. For example, say we desoldered C1 capacitor from Arduino, we will have to place it where we see C1 in our project, and that goes for all the devices. The other parts are easier to buy separately, and I have provided the links for these parts in the description. I have used a soldering station set to 330 Celsius for most parts. Most parts are not that sensitive to high temperatures except for the Atmega 328. I ruined too many of them by soldering them at 400 Celsius, so don't go that high with the Atmega 328. Most parts are straightforward to solder. Neo-6m is probably the most challenging to desolder and solder, so take your time with it. Now for the OLED screen, print 4 spacers using a 3D printer. Place the spacers and screw the screen in place and then solder the 4 leads with soldering iron. Once your PCB looks like this, it will be ready for the programming part. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching and see you in the next part.